Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved use Audi A3 Sportback Black Edition S Tronic finished in the modern Navarra Blue Metallic paintwork. This 2024 model comes with a TFSI engine and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include these modern LED headlights along with dynamic rear indicators for great visibility, large 19-inch alloy wheels, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging across the entire vehicle including Audi Sport badging on the alloy wheels, and front and rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside a spacious 380 litre boot capacity, so you can be rest assured to bring all your travel essentials. Opening the front doors, you'll be greeted with the illuminated door sill trims with the S logo for that modern look. Moving into the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim for that premium look and feel, along with pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders and a rear climate control. The front houses the multifunctional flat-bottom steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, a central touch display, and S-embossed front full leather sport seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. You can also access and adjust the interior lighting to set the mood, in addition to setting the temperature balance on the front heated seats. You can also access Audi Drive Select, offering a range of driving modes to suit you. Just below, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature for you and all your passengers to enjoy, with optional heated front seats that are also available from here. This is alongside the central console that features an illuminated wireless charging pad for your phone, 2 USB-C charging ports, central cup holders, and a central armrest, which is all complemented with LED ambient lighting. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.